3D, all the rage once again. Google tried to jump in on the fun today.
Well, the best part of their new idea is that you don't have to be a computer programmer to contribute. Our own Marcus Leshak joins us with more. Marcus.
That is right. I am not a computer programmer by any means. Google is putting its users to work. Their dream is to render the entire world in 3D, but they are starting right here in Chicago. Today they launched a new program called Building Maker. They gave me a preview of it at their Chicago office. Is anybody like tapping into my brain and organizing that information?
You never know, you gotta watch out.
This is the very colorful office of Google Chicago, located in the city's River North neighborhood. One of 67 locations around the world, the Chicago office employs about 450 people, pulling out all the stops to make them as happy as possible.
We have lunch every day, yeah, from 11:30 to 1 o'clock.
What in the world?
We encourage people to eat in our cafeteria because it encourages team building.
He's taking too much, though. Tell him that he's taking too much.
You can come back for seconds.
Besides the employee perks, Google is mostly known for their efforts to organize the world's information. Today, they unveiled their latest project, which kicks off right here in Chicago.
We think Chicago's a world-class city. It's got great architecture, and we want to show that off.
With their free Building Maker software, users can take the 2D Google map and make a three-dimensional model of their favorite Chicago building.
You see, this is the building that I'm going to model here, so we want to zoom in just a little bit and take some of these building blocks and start tracing the building that
So you find like the most appropriate shape of your building there and you just sort of outline the whole thing.
Absolutely, and it flies right into that building.
Hey, look at that.
And you can see your 3D replica right into Google Earth.
You can model your home or take a crack at some of Chicago's not yet rendered landmarks. Wow, look at that. When you're finished, submit your design. If approved by the company, it'll be placed in their Google Earth application with your name in the credits. The Chicago Architecture Foundation is among those excited about the project.
I think it's great. It gives people entree. It lets them see, a vast urban region, a big city, and lets them look at it quickly and zoom around and think about it, and then we hope it makes them want to know more.
All right, Google Building Maker is now active. You can find it on google.com. I also have a direct link up on my blog at chicagonow.com/Leshak. I took a tour, as you can see, of Google there. I'm going to put together a little video tour and put that up there as well.
And somehow you always wind up where the food is.
I know, isn't that weird? Even a story about computers, there's a whole cafeteria with like steak and everything. I mean,
I come into my desk today, there he is with this big
I know, I had like an Asian box
really
with like some, seared vegetables.
You drop off your resume after that lunch?
No, I love my job here. Are you kidding me? I'm going to give this up?
We love you too, Marcus.
Oh, thank you.
So cute.
All right, that's our news at 5 o'clock. I'm Mark Sapelson.
And I'm Lourdes Duarte. He'll see you back here at 9 o'clock.